I've got shortening getting hot in my iron skillet. I'm gonna let that get piping hot while I mix up the cornmeal ingredients. Okay, while I have the iron skillet getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up everything else. That was a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and I would normally use milk, but I'm out, so I'm going to use water, and that's 1 cup, and about 1/3, maybe a little over. I didn't exactly measure that right. So I'll go ahead and mix this up together. And I'm gonna put in 2 cups of cornmeal mix. Honestly, I threw the bag away and I pour it in the canister here, and I'm not sure what brand of cornmeal mix this was. Only thing I know for sure is I do not use store brands. I use some kind of name brand cornmeal and flour because I don't like the other. So I like my crust to be kind of crunchy on my cornmeal, so that helps when you get the iron skillet really hot with the shortening or lard or whatever you have. Get that really hot and pour this in. And I do love cornbread. Honestly, I think I could eat cornbread for breakfast. A little lumpy there. I'm gonna whisk it a little bit. See if I can get some of the lumps out of it. I am going to go ahead and add just a little bit more cornmeal mix because I think I probably added a little too much water. So I probably added another 1/8 of a cup of cornmeal mix because I went over on the water just a little bit. And yeah, that looks good. Okay, the skillet's hot enough. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And then I'm gonna put this in a preheated oven. I've got it on 425. Okay, this baked for exactly 25 minutes. And then the last minute, I actually just turned the oven on broil and got the top a little browner the way I like it. And I'm sorry about the noise of the dishwasher in the background. I hope that's not too distracting. Everybody's oven is different, so you may need to adjust the time that you bake your cornbread and the temperature, but you know your oven and you know what you need to do there. So I'm gonna let this cool before I get it out of the pan because these skillets, well, they do get so hot. I let this cool for about 10 minutes in the skillet, and then I wanted to get it out. If you leave it in the skillet too long, or whatever pan you're baking in, sometimes it can just get a little soggy, and I do like a crunchy bottom on my cornbread. So there we go. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And thanks for watching.